Hello friends and welcome back to the Recognition channel. So friends, today I will talk about Alphacool new Core PNY GeForce RTX 5090 and 5080 EPIC X GPU cooler with backplate. So friend, Alphacool has introduced new Core GeForce RTX 5090 EPIC X with backplate and Core GeForce RTX 5080 EPIC X with backplate graphics card water cooler, and the GPU water cooler has been completely redesigned, precise adjustment to spacing between the cooler and PCB along with the optimized water flow simulation and extensive practical testing have resulted in significant improvement to the cooler base and jet plate, and this enhancement ensure maximum cooling performance for the newest NVIDIA GeForce RTX generation, and the GPU water block feature a precisely machined copper base and high quality chrome plating and exceptional durability and smooth surface, and the design is further complemented by robust brass fitting and nylon cover ensuring maximum safety and reliability. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.